Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the brick count indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched my first video and the videos after that, you need to go do that right now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team, and as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down in the description below. You can also find a link to our Discord server, so that way we can all discuss testing indicators and building our trading system. And lastly, you can find a link below to TradingView. If you sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money using the link below.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the brick count indicator. But before we do, wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 84 indicators, and out of those 84 indicators, 27 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 27 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, as I said, today's indicator is the brick count indicator. It is labeled here as the Rinko count, and that is because it was designed, and this is a TradingView user created indicator. And so, of course, you can find the link down below in the description. But it was designed to read off of the Rinko candles. And so there are, I don't know if you would actually call them candles. We have standard candles like these here. And then here we have bars, and we have hollow candles. We have Hikinashi candles. And yeah, line charts. You can switch it to area charts, baseline, and you can switch it over to the Rinko candles, I guess you would call them as well. And so basically this indicator was designed around that type of candle chart. And so, but nonetheless, it is still, a functioning indicator on your standard candlestick type chart, the standard candlesticks like we have here. And so, basically, let me make this a little bit more. There we go. I think that's easier to see now. And so you have the green line, you have the red line, and when they cross, this is similar to the Arun indicator, as there is a cross up, and that cross up either is with the green line, which would be an indicator or a signal to go long, or it will cross up with the red line, which is a signal to go short. And so that's pretty much how we're going to test it now. Whichever line is crossing up is going to be the signal that we take. Pretty simple. And yeah, that's how we are going to go about testing it today. And so let's get on with the testing process, see what we can get out of this indicator. It's quite interesting. Apparently, reading the description that was laid out by the creator is the Rinko candles. There are specific type patterns that you kind of look for, which is no different than the type of candles that we have here. We look for specific patterns, and those specific patterns are supposed to give us an idea of what is taking place with price action. All right, we have our first signal here. Did not realize that it would go for such a long period of time with no trades. All right, we have our first signal here. All right, we have our first signal here. And it is a short signal. Let's see, we're going to have to play it out a little bit more here to see where it goes. Oh, there you have it. It went down. And so that was a clean winning signal there. Let's move on here and see what else we can get. It's plugging along here. Like I said, it doesn't give too many signals, and I thought it would give more signals. Whoop. We got some action happening here. Okay, so give a long signal there, then turn around and went short. So that would be a loss there. Went short, then boom, turned around and went long right afterwards. Oh man, this thing's chopping around quite a bit here. Let me zoom in on this thing here. I wonder. What I'm looking at are these lines right here. So I'm wondering if, let's see, so it turned there, went long there, came back for a short, went long there, there to there. Let's see what the measurement is on this. Not quite. Alright. Erase one of the lines there. There we go. 90 pips. Yeah, not quite where we need it to be there. So that would have been a losing trade. See, it kind of bounced around there in the green before then throwing this red signal here, which we need to play out a little bit more to see where it goes. It went down. Man, it would be nice if we could filter out some of the choppiness in some of these indicators. And that is a perfect example right there, where it just went through this choppiness, blup, 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 where swung you in and out and in and out and in and out. And yeah, would have been nice if we could filter out that choppiness and grab where the signal really got strong. Looks like it would have been like in this area. I guess we could set like a zone on this thing if we really wanted to, like a zone of, you know, it has to cross up above the 21. Nope, so it'd be like 21.4, somewhere in that area over here. And that would, anything, you know, in that area would be considered a choppiness, and we wouldn't take the trade. Would, of course, limit our trades even more. Yeah, because you see it has this little zone where it looks like it goes through these moments of a lot of choppiness. Let's see there. have got stopped out. So yeah, that would have been a winner on that one. Yep, here's another area where it just goes, it just pinballs back and forth and back and forth. Let's see. Here, I don't think we would have gotten, nope. So let's see. That would have been losing trade there. I gave a short signal here. Let's play it out a little bit, see where it goes. Yeah, see it starts bouncing around, so it gives a short here. Let's see, did it stop out? 135, yeah. It would have gotten stopped out here. On that one, wrote that out for a minute. Went green here. Let's ride this out for a moment. See where it goes. Yep, definitely got us in the winning zone there. And so again, you see, if we'd have filtered out that choppy area, if we'd have filtered out this choppy area, then we would have missed a few. Let's see, what was that one? Yeah, we would have missed this these bad trades here. We'd have missed these bad trades here. We'd have sacrificed this one good trade, but that would have put us at 100% so far with this indicator. Here we go with another really choppy area right there. Let's see, I guess it never switched technically. We'd have still been in the same signal, but there is a short there that we would have lost that one. Let's see, give a long there. We would have lost that one. It is still in the long, just chopping itself along there. Let's see. Then we picked up a short back here. We're almost to the end of the year, getting really close here. And did that one cross? Oh no, that's still in the red. So yeah, there's the end of the year there. And so yeah, it's a little bit of a shame because, like I said, if we would have if we'd have just set our line, say here, and we let's see, I missed a trade back here. Sorry, I was just going back and looking at this here. Let's see, it crossed short there. Looks like it went green here. Looks like it went short here. And it looks like I missed. Looks like I missed one. Hey, nobody's perfect. Definitely don't claim to be perfect. I'm sure I make mistakes. As a matter of fact, every now and then you guys call me out on it and say, hey, you forgot to mark a spot here or there. You forgot to mark this trade. You missed that one or this one, type of deal. Let's see. There, and there. Alright, so, yes, as I was saying, it's a shame because, if we would have used this to filter out some of the choppiness, we would have still gotten quite a few of these trades. I think this one would have been a bad one. These would have been chopped out. That would have been a winner. These would have been chopped out. This would have been a winner. And so we would have only had one losing trade. But as it stands right now, let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And we only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 winners. And so barely misses the 60% marker. And so, unfortunately, it's not going to make it on the winning list. I mean, even if we did, set this up in this style where we, used it to filter out some of this choppiness, I mean, it gives so few signals. It's just, goes really extended periods of time without giving any signal. And so, it's definitely one of those things where it was an under trading indicator. And so, even if we did modify it a little bit, make it a little bit better to knock out some of those bad trades, yeah, I don't think it would have really done that great either way. But something to play around with. Again, if you guys want to throw it on your charts and play around with it some, then you are all more than welcome to do so. And so, yeah, for now, like I said, it's going on the no list, and we are going to move on to the next indicator from here.
If you have not already, like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. As part of the team, it's important that you are seeing the new videos as they come out so you know what it is that we are discussing and what indicators we are testing, have tested, and have not tested. Also, like usual, there is a link below in the description to the Discord server. You can join us on Discord so that way we can further discuss the indicators and have discussions as we move forward building our trading system. And lastly, like usual, there is a link below to TradingView. If you like what you see whenever I use TradingView, and you are interested in signing up for TradingView, if you use the link below and sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money. So, all right, everybody, I will see you on the next